Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was getting a lot of DMs from you that I am not making any videos. Actually, I want to tell you one thing guys, that I was suffering from typhoid and I was not well, so I was not shooting anything. I was not active on my social media at all since long. But now I'm completely fine. I am back with a bang. So here I am, Meet Manchanda, back with another interesting video. And yes guys, you are going to love this video when I will tell you that I got 7 beauty and makeup products, that too in 599 rupees only. Yes, you heard it right, only for 599. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So here it is guys, I ordered this from fabbag.com. Lately I found this website on Instagram and I got curious to know about it, as it is very difficult to get 6 to 7 products, that too at a minimal cost. So I thought to check out the reviews. In fact, to be honest guys, I really wanted to get these products as they were offering a very good deal. So I'll give you the honest reviews for all the products that I received in this cute little fab bag. Don't worry guys, I'll give you all the details in the description box below so you can go and check it out. So guys, there were 3 options to choose from these Quarantessentials fab bag, as they were offering in the month of April and May, as there was lockdown going on. Everyone know that. So I opted for Quarantessentials bag number 2, which was worth rupees 3000. So the first and foremost product that I received in this bag is the Sugar, the most eligible smoothing primer. It came in this nice packaging guys, as you can see. And yes, there were options to choose from, the BB cream, moisturizer and the primer. So I opted for this one. As the name suggests, it's all eligible. Yes guys, I do have a problem of open pores in this area, so I really wanted to try this one, as it will help me to blur out my pores, fine lines, wrinkles. And yes guys, it is a cream based primer, so it is perfect match for my dry skin. And the net quantity of this primer is 25 ml, which I think is quite less, but it is very good if you are getting this in that price. The second product which I got is the Nature's Company Tea Tree Hair Nourishing Cream. Basically, it's a leave-on cream. After washing your hair, you can apply it on damp hair, and as the name suggested, that it contains tea tree oil. So it is best suited for the people who have dandruff issues or have itchy scalp. Frankly speaking, I don't like to apply leave-on creams in my hair guys, as I do have an oily scalp. But as there was no option to choose the rest of the products, so yes guys, I got this one. And the next third product which we have here is this Chronocare Body Butter. It contains shea butter plus aloe vera, and it suggests that it is for all skin types. So the buttery texture of this cream is damn amazing, which helps to deeply nourish the skin and makes it soothe and calming. And the next one we have here is this Votra Advanced Gel Exfoliants. It is a jelly scrub guys with natural AHAs, which helps to lift and loosen the dead skin cells, leaving it more glowing and rejuvenated. Also, it is for all skin types. To be honest, I'm eagerly waiting to try this product, as the fragrance of this product is very soothing and calming. The next one we have here is this Blossom Culture's Aroma Magic White Tea and Chamomile Face Wash. To be honest guys, I am a very big fan of this brand, as it is totally free from parabens and any artificial coloring. I use their other products as well, and it is also very budget friendly. Also, this face wash is for all skin types. So the next product we have here is the Nirvana purifying facial serum. So this product is crafted naturally. It contains no parabens, no artificial coloring, nothing. It's all natural. And this serum helps to boost the glow of your skin. You just have to add a few drops of the serum in your night care skin routine and voila, you are done. And the last but not the least, seventh product we have here is this Scent Divines Multani lotion. Basically, it's a ready to use face pack, guys, containing orange peel, haldi, licorice and a lot of things. It is also paraben free, so whenever I need that instant glow, I can go on for this. So guys, this was my Quintessentials Fab Bag. And yes, all in all, I'm very happy with my first purchase with them. Yes guys, this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased all these products for my personal use and giving you the reviews for all the products. And I will definitely recommend you to purchase your Fab Bag. Yes, it takes around 20 to 25 days to deliver. But yes, you will feel satisfied whenever you receive your Fab Bag. I hope guys you all liked my video, and if you liked it, give me a big fat thumbs up. And yes, also comment below that what is the next video you want me to do for you. Make sure to subscribe my channel for all the latest updates, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications from my side. Till then, bye bye, see you soon.